So another tip I'd tell my younger self would be to own and, when possible, carry a good pocket knife. Pocket knives are great for opening packages, carving your name on a tree. Let's say you want to cut up some fruit, an apple, pear, plum, something like that. Or if you come across a cheesecake and you want to cut yourself a piece of cheesecake. Plus, some pocket knives are multi-function. So scissors, corkscrew, bottle opener, allows you to open up a bottle of beer, maybe a good bottle of wine. So definitely own and, when possible, carry a good pocket knife.